All right, so here we are on Linnanmaki's, I guess you would call this their e-motion coaster from Mack. What's interesting about this ride is the ride vehicles have this kind of like tilt and pivot system underneath the actual car itself. So when you go around these turns, you're supposed to feel the car tilt a little bit more than a normal Wild Mouse. I have to be honest, it doesn't really work that well, and I believe this is the only one of these still in existence. Like on the straightaway, you can feel it rocking just a slight amount. Here we go. Oh! It does have a bounce to it. I don't know if you can tell from the video. Oh! It's a very odd ride. I believe they only ever built 2 of these, and this is the only one that is actually still left. I guess you could kind of call it sort of a failed design. But here, when we come into the station, if you look at the car right in front of us, it's on the transfer track, you could sort of see the system underneath the car that's connected to the wheels. And it's made to sort of like tilt and pivot a little bit. And to be honest, it just never quite worked that well.